Are you drinking water? Yummy water. Water. You drinking it? I love you. Are you filling it up? Fill it up. Stir it up. Your spoon is bigger than your cup though, bud. Okay, Mommy's gonna turn it off. I turned it off. Yep, for now. We'll put it back on later. It's okay. You have plenty of water to work with. Plenty of water. Is that your E? E.
Oh.
E. Put the E in the cup. Oh, that's very good. Hi, E. Oops. Here, I got. What do you say? Here, say thank you. You're welcome. Yeah. There's your E. Ooh.
E.
That's right. E. E is a letter. Look at your motor skills. Is that your cup and spoon? Where'd your spoon go? Spoon.